କହିବୁ ବାବା। Who invented the first mechanical computer?
Charles Babbage.
What was the first electronic computer called?
ENIAC.
Who developed the first microprocessor?
Ted Hope.
Wow. What was the first personal computer?
Apple I.
Who co-founded Apple Computers?
Steve Jobs.
What is the first programming language?
Dan Kalkul.
Wow. Who invented the mouse?
Douglas Engelbart.
Good boy. What was the first web browser?
World Wide Web.
Good. Who developed the first operating system?
Gary Kildall.
Good. What was the first computer network?
ARPANET.
Good. Who co-founded Microsoft?
Bill Gates.
What was the first laptop computer?
IBM 5100.
Very good. Who developed the first spreadsheet software?
Dan Bricklin.
Very good. What was the first computer virus?
Scraper.
Good boy. Who developed the first graphical user interface?
Xerox PAC.
Yes, you are win.